Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create custom reports to track what matters most to your business using GoHighLevel. Whether you're a marketer, a business owner, or a freelancer, understanding your metrics is crucial to your success. So let's dive in. To create custom reports, you'll first need to set up a custom dashboard. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account and then click the Edit icon in the top right corner. Next, click the Add Widget button located in the top right corner. This will open the Add Widget section on the right side of the screen. In this section, you can either search for widgets or scroll through the available options categorized by type. You also have the option to filter widgets by chart types using the top menu. By default, the recommended chart type is pre-selected under the All filter, but you can change it at any time if needed. If you're building a call tracking dashboard, you might want to add widgets like total incoming and outgoing calls, answered calls, and total calls. Adding charts can also help present the call ratio more professionally. Once you've added the necessary widgets, you can resize and reposition them to fit your layout. When you're satisfied with the arrangement, don't forget to click Save Changes to finalize your dashboard. And that's it. Your custom dashboard is now ready to use. Want to enhance your lead management and simplify your workflow? Experience GoHighLevel with a 30-day free trial. It's a great way to see how it can benefit your business. Plus, be sure to schedule your kickoff call for personalized assistance in getting started. You can find all the links you need in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips about GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching.